What's up YouTube? So today I wanted to recreate this makeup look that I did. Let me see if I can find it. That's what I'm gonna be recreating. And I guess you could kind of call it like this ghoul girl makeup because I don't know what else to call it, to be honest. But I feel like when I go on TikTok and I see like makeup styles that are similar to that, that's like what they call it, I guess. So that's what we're gonna do. I already started with my brows obviously. So for the brows though, I did use this Anastasia dip brow in taupe just because I didn't want my brows to be like super dark. And I wanted it to be exactly how I did it in that picture that I just showed you. For the base, I used this Kosas concealer. Not concealer, I meant foundation. And I think I'm gonna just go straight in. I was gonna like try to conceal my spots, but I'm gonna just go straight in with the foundation. Also for primer, I did go in with this One Size Secure the Blur primer. This is literally my favorite makeup look. Like I always switch. It's either this. I have like my top 3 makeup looks is this, like the ghoul girl makeup look, the dark feminine makeup look, or the baby blue eyeshadow, like 90s Y2K type of vibe. It is kind of like a natural look as far as like the base goes, so that's why I am going in with this Kosas foundation. For contour, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty No. 9 Amber Suede contour stick. I'm not gonna put it on the top of my forehead, but I am gonna put it on my cheeks. Because for this look, you want everything to be super ashy and cool toned, which is also why I went in with the taupe dip brow and not just like your regular Anastasia medium brown brow powder. And then I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. complexion duo brush and blend it out. Then for eyeshadow, you already know I'm gonna be using this Nova Beauty Smoky palette in the shade Shade. I'm literally gonna have to get like a new palette just for the shade because I already hit the pan. But for this, you just want to sweep it all over your eyelid and kind of drag it out. Then I'm gonna go in with this Blue You Away palette from Morphe. And then I'm gonna go in with this light blue shade. It doesn't have a name, but it's like the most pale blue that is on this palette. And I'm literally gonna put that all over my eyelid also. And then just go over it with your transition shade and kind of just blend out the edges just to make sure everything's nice and smooth and so that the blue doesn't look too harsh. Then on the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's like this white pearly shade. Just a little bit. And then go back in with the same brush that you used for the blue and like mix it all together. Honestly, I think I'm even gonna go in with this Flirty Talk palette and use the white color right here. Just to kind of put it on top of like that white color. And then honestly, between each step, I always blend it back out with the transition shade. For the eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with this Nova Beauty eyeliner in ASAP. It's just this gel black eyeliner. And I'm just gonna put it on like the outer edge. Create like a little baby wing. And then just to make sure that there's no harsh lines, like you can just blend it out towards the middle and a little bit towards the outer edge, but you still kind of want like that wing. And then you want to tight line your entire eye and you want to connect it to like that little baby wing that you just made. And then you can just blend out anything that's like that needs it, but make sure you don't blend away that little baby wing. And then basically just do everything onto the other side. Alright, so I did the other side. Basically all that's left is mascara. Oh, actually, you know what? I was lying. We're gonna add one more color, and that is this gray color right here. It's like a shimmery gray, and I'm gonna just put that like on the center. Hold on, let me see what I'm doing because I can't really tell. And then again, like I said, I'm gonna go over that with the transition shade just because But like I said, that's it for the eyeshadows. So now all that's left is mascara. Oh, actually, we should wait to set the whole face first, huh? Alright, scratch that. We're actually gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna use this MAC blush. Obviously, it's one of my favorites because I'm literally almost out, but it's the color Totally Synced from the Glow Play blush. I don't know. And just start pressing that on my cheeks a little bit, and like on my nose. Like, you really don't want a lot, like just like the tiniest bit. That's why I'm using like a very light blush, because by the time you set everything and put more concealer on it, it's like you're not even gonna see it, honestly. And then for concealer, I'm gonna use the Faux Filter concealer from Huda Beauty, and I'm only gonna put a little bit. We kind of want the eye bags to show a little bit. I'm gonna let that sit on my face, and then in the meantime I'm gonna go in with contour. Oh shit, you know what I just realized? We didn't even set the contour. Okay, we're gonna set the contour with this Dior Forever Natural Bronze in number 4. Oh, also I forgot to say, like for the concealer, you kind of want it to be like a brightening concealer because you want your face to look kind of like pale and ghostly because it's like the ghoul look, you know? And then I would just blend this out. Alright, so now that the contour is done, I'm gonna blend out the concealer and just try to make sure that you don't drag it up too close because you want like the natural tiredness of your eyes to kind of like show still. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set with this Laura Mercier translucent powder. But just make sure you blend out first and don't look down because otherwise you'll crease. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set the whole rest of my face. Then I'm gonna go in with this Milk Kush Clear Brow Gel. I like to do this after my powder because I feel like if I do it before, the powder will stick to the gel. And then with that same transition shade from the Nova Beauty palette, I'm gonna go under my eyes where my eye bags are and kind of drag some shadow underneath to kind of like accentuate the eye bags. Alright, now it's actually time for mascara. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. Oh, also, since we're just using mascara, I'm gonna use like a lash primer to kind of make my lashes look like thicker and longer. Alright, I'm using this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer. I'm assuming that's what it's called. I don't really know because the writing's gone. But I'm gonna brush that all through my lashes, but I cannot see what I'm doing, so hold on. And then I'm gonna let that dry and I'm gonna go on with the second coat, but I'm gonna start with the other side also now. Alright, now I'm gonna do the second coat on this side. So I'm gonna let that dry. In the meantime, I'm gonna do my nose highlight, and I'm gonna be using this Benefit Cookie Highlight because I just can't live without it. And then I'm also gonna put it on the like brow bone. Alright, and then now I'm gonna go in with this Milk Kush mascara. So this is basically the eye look. I'm gonna just go straight in with my setting spray. And then while that's drying, I'm gonna go and do my lips. I'm using the lip liner from MAC in Stone. I think for the lip color, I just had a gloss on, so I'm going to use the Lip Glow Oil in 001 Pink. But yeah, this is the finished look. I'm going to go do my hair and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I did my hair and I feel like it fits the vibes for this makeup look, which is what I originally did on my Instagram. I wanted to use these like little clips, but I couldn't find them anywhere. I only found 2 of them, but that's not enough. I needed 4, so whatever. This is the closest I could get. But for the makeup, I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see the actual eye look. I think it's super cute. I literally love this look. Like I said, one of my go-tos. And I like that the eye bags can still show. Like, I used to be super insecure about my eye bags and like I would want to conceal them all the time, and I just felt like super ugly that I had them. But now I feel like not that confident now. But yeah, I just feel like I'm in like a different place mentally, so I've finally been able to accept my flaws and like see them as like just part of me. And I hope this inspires any of you who also have like the same issue to just like go with it, like make your makeup work with your natural features. But yeah, that's it for this look. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you recreate it, and if you do, don't forget to tag me. But yeah, that's it. Anyways, I hope you have a good day.